Hi, welcome to Flower of the Day series. Today's flower is the wild oats. This flower is one of the best remedy flower. It helps us in gaining more emotional balance and finding a true path. Some people may be lost in their lives and do not know which direction to go. This particular flower helps in giving some certainty about future, giving a clarity and gaining momentum in moving towards a better direction. Now, gently close your eyes and take a deep breath. Visualize the wild oat flowers. These are the flowers of the oat bushes. Imagine yourself being drenched with the energy of this flower. If you're feeling uncertain about taking any decision in the life, having many choices around, and do not know which way to go, think about that question in your mind and ask the flower energy to give more clarity to your question. You might be receiving an answer now, or it could come up through your subconscious mind in the future. Wonderful. Now gently open your eyes after taking a deep breath. I'm Deepika, a floral alchemist and an intuitive energy healer. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.